There is something missing from our world. The amazing animals that time has left behind. But what if we could bring them back? What if extinction didn't have to be forever? We're going back in time on a safari with a difference. As wildlife adventurer Nigel Marvin plunges into prehistory to rescue creatures on the brink of extinction. His plan is to bring them back to the safety of the present and give them a second chance. Welcome to the ultimate wildlife sanctuary. Welcome to Prehistoric Park.
Nigel, all the eggs have
Nobody's seen a baby dinosaur for 65 million years. And there's a surprise in store for Nigel and Suzanne.
What I didn't expect is that they're covered in sort of fluffy down like you get with baby chicks, like baby birds. I guess it's to keep them warm.
Dinosaurs and birds are closely related. And just like birds, some baby dinos have downy feathers. And it seems they react like birds too.
So curious to see the reflections or something. Let's go in, come on. They could easily escape, couldn't they, through the fence, but I don't think they're going to try. They're going to stay with the mum. Look at them. They remind me of like little partridges or grouse. Let's try something. And they just completely freeze. I think what they'd do is if there was a predator, they'd run in the grass, freeze, be stock still, and then wait till the mum calls them.
They've got to have some defence though, haven't they? They've got to have some protection systems.
Yeah, they're so vulnerable. I mean, tiny dinosaurs.
Pretty cute though, really, aren't they? Well, the dinosaurs.